A date is fixed in the calendar of the unknown, an anniversary of the birth sublime. Our soul shall justify its sacred walk. All will come near, that now is not or far, not on the random bricks of chance was the world built. There is a well thought out plan behind its creation. There is a good design, a well thought plan. There is the expert architect, the originator who has worked out each and every detail, drawn perfectly each line and curve of the structure. There is a proficient engineer committed to bring it out in the concrete physical form. Nothing without an idea, nothing without the idea force behind it. There are difficulties, there are innumerable difficulties, there are problems and issues, there are insufficiencies, there is unawareness, a deep degree of unconsciousness is there. We are governed by half ignorance and half knowledge. But the immortal does not will and act the way we will and act, nor is he in a hurry to unknot the riddle of the world. If it is going to take time, it only means he is going to attend to every detail, attend without skipping any detail, any step. Slow perfection is an aspect of perfect perfection, that nothing is left out to chance and circumstance. Otherwise, that itself could become a rallying point for the opposing forces to enter in and spoil all the gain. The efficient agency of time is in operation. Time waiting for the eternal hour. At every crucial stage, there is a divine intervention. The shaper of this world is also the master and sovereign of this world. He works through the fierce vicissitudes of life. Our errors become for him the means of working out the strategy of progress. Maybe there is nations, maybe there is darkness, and it is there, but his knowledge overrules it. His guidance is a certitude that the goal is reached. We live in a divided world, in a dichotomous world, a world of light and darkness, of truth and falsehood, of right and wrong, of good and evil, a world of life and death moving in the company of each other, a world of joy and grief, but we have to also complete our term in this world, in this dichotomous world, in this division, in this dichotomous state. We have to complete our term. This half-conscious, half-asleep state has to be experienced. Only by completing this stage, we can claim our divine right for God bliss and God love. We are born for that, and that has to be ours. That has to be ours. That God bliss and God life has to be ours. But when? But even for that, the moment, the hour, the day, the time is fixed. The date is already fixed in the schedules of the unknown. This birth has to be celebrated in the full glory and greatness. This is the anniversary of the divine birth, the birth that had taken place at the beginning of the entire evolutionary creation. It is also the anniversary because he keeps on coming again and again. He keeps on coming age after age, yuge. He keeps on coming. He keeps on coming to take things forward. The incarnate's voice can be heard again. The voice which will bring to the world the word of truth. It will bring the word of truth to the word of faith. It is fated and none can alter it, none can resist it. The word of truth shall be established.